I am here at the American Bakers Association's annual convention in Amelia Island, Florida, and I am catching up with Cordia Harrington, founder and CEO of Crown Bakeries and ABA's board chair. Hi, Cordia. Thanks for catching up with me today.
Hi, Joanie. It's great to see you. Thanks for being here at the convention.
Of course, I would not miss it, and I'm so excited because there have been so many changes to this convention, which has a really long history of doing things the same way, kind of like the baking industry.
Yes.
So congratulations on incorporating a lot of changes to your convention. How has it gone?
Oh my gosh, it's been so well received. You know, the goal was to allow for more networking because, as you know, not one of us is as good as all of us. So the more collaboration we can provide, the more opportunities for meeting new people or hearing new ideas. That's what this convention's been all about.
You know, I saw that there is so much networking, and I feel like it created a lot of energy.
Yes.
And there's energy in ABA and energy in the industry. We've got a lot of new leaders coming in, including a new president and CEO, Eric Dell.
Yes, he's awesome. But you know what's been surprising for me, Joanie, is that we've had so many first-timers, CEOs. Hey, what can I do to get involved? I want to be involved. And they just see the value that's come from the speakers, the value that's coming from the connections, and that gets me excited.
Yeah, I totally agree. That's the kind of stuff that gets me excited too. There's a lot of momentum right now. How do you see that momentum carrying through this next year, not only for ABA membership, but also for the industry?
Well, Eric Dell is a great leader and a great collaborator. And one initiative that he is going to be working very, very hard on is bringing together other associations. And the ABA being a leader and a force, we're going to try to use the power of ABA collaborating with other associations to really make a difference for our industry and for the U.S.
I love that, and that's really what is going to make us stronger.
Yes.
Cordia, thank you so much for your leadership, and congratulations on an incredible annual convention.
Thank you.
And I can't wait to see what this year ahead brings.
Thank you so much.